Hello and welcome to a video from Imagine Landscapes Knits for the 2/1 Right Purl Cross. In this stitch we will be slipping 2 stitches and changing places with 1 purl so that the knit stitches go to the right. We will cover it first with a cable needle and then without. Knit all the way up to the purl stitch in front of your 2 knit stitches. Slip 1 stitch to the cable needle and then allow that to go in back. The big cable needle for a little swatch. Knit 2 from the needle, and now I purl 1 from the cable needle. What this does is it switches 2 stitches to the right and the purl stitch to the left. Let's do that now without a cable needle. So again, we go up to the 3 stitches we need. For this one, we insert our right needle tip through the 2 knit stitches, leaving the purl stitch behind, just like we left it on the cable needle, it was behind. Then we pinch the base of all 3 stitches, slide the left needle out, insert it into that dangling purl stitch, then put the 2 knit stitches back on, knit 2, purl 1, and I'll purl across so that we can show you. So we've got these 2 stitches both of the times slanting to the right. Hope this tutorial has helped you. Happy knitting!